Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our handsome teacher. I'm Jimboy Bagalso. I will continue to report about communication for resume. By highlighting your communication skills in your resume, you can show your mastery so potential employers can quickly identify you as a top candidate. Communication is soap that takes a considerable amount of time and practice to master. If you become especially skilled in areas such as writing, speaking, active listening, and presenting, highlighting then on your resume will help you to embrace teamwork and likely work with others and a good communication of every relationship, including the relationship between employers and employee. 10 communication skills to highlight in a resume. First, writing. Second, speaking. Third, presenting. Fourth, listening. Fifth, negotiating. Six, team building. Seven, providing or accepting feedback. Eight, motivation. Nine, honesty. 10, empathy. First, writing. When listing writing skills on your resume, consider getting specific by including terms like copywriting or report writing. Listing speaking skills on your resume can be a smart way to show that you know how to share ideas clearly, concisely, and effectively. Presenting. When you include presentation skills on your resume, you can convey your ability to embrace and pursue groups, your public speaking and demonstration capabilities. Listening. Highlighting your active listening capability shows that you can hear and understand what others say and that you know how to make client feel value. Negotiating. Featuring negotiating skills on your resume shows that you can access other needs accurately, communication your demand clearly, and compromise effectively. Team building, including these skills on your resume, show that you can communicate with groups, motivate teams to achieve goals, and reward teams member appropriately. Providing or accepting feedback, include these skills on your resume to show that you work well with others and process their responses effectively. Motivation. Picturing motivation on your resume demonstrates that you can communicate and inspire team members to work productively and meet established goals. Honesty, indicating that you prioritize honest communication, shows that you value authenticity, transparency, and confidence, and that you strive to instill these qualities in your team. Empathy. When you include these skills in your resume, you show that you value others' views and maintain an open mind about alternative ideas when can help you excel in your tips for creation a resume that picture your communication skills. Be concise. Make each section as possible to demonstrate your writing skills. Include only the important and relevant details and any filler words or generic information that does not value. Write so that each section of your resume is easy to understand and process quickly. Relevant keywords. Before writing your resume, review the job description carefully. Look for keywords such as certification, degrees, skills, and titles that the job right requires. Make make note of these keywords and use them in your resume if they are relevant. show result rather than telling potential employers about your professional accomplishment. Show them by gratifying your results. For example, state the percentage by which you improve your former employer guided your administration. Use the right font. Always use a professional font when writing a resume. Choosing a standard your resume will be easy to read, which will also help you show written communication skills. Communication skill resume template. The template below show that to include in your resume. Full name, objectives, experience, certifications, educations, skills. That's all. And thank you.